2018, we've been around as a cooking school. We do classes and events, and so it's really fun to welcome large groups like you all tonight. Happy cooking.
Thank you guys so much for being here. My name is Jacobson Valentine. I'm the chef of Feed the Mass. My biggest focus was teaching people how to eat healthy. And I do all the work. And if you like celery, you're gonna like this. Cut your fingers off yet? I like it. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of hoisin, or as much sriracha as you want. A half a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Vinegar is an acid, it's gonna help balance everything out. That's it, super easy. All right, let's make your sauce. Now, the reason why we're using avocado oils and anytime we use a wok or high heat sauteing is because the smoke point. Avocado oil can go up to about 300 to 350 without it actually going into smoke. So this is good for sauteing and high heat. I like to just line the bottom of the pan. We're gonna add in our chicken, spreading it out, and we're leaving it alone. So once it goes in, you do not stop stirring. Next, we're gonna put in our collards. We're gonna add in our kale, chicken.
I want all the sauce.
And get our filling. We're doing ready-to-eat meals for after-school projects, daycares, schools, houseless. If you know anybody that is facing food insecurity, please send them our way. You can also purchase ready-to-eat meals if you're like, hey, this would be a good alternative for like weekends or when I'm working or for lunches. All of our meals are microwavable, oven safe, and freezable. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys being a part of this. You're welcome. Chicken.